Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you another way to apply your black patina. This method does not use steel wool. And yeah, you get a nice shiny finish. Okay, so I just cleaned my piece with CJ's Flux Remover, warm water, and a brush. So what I do next is take a wet magic eraser, and you can use CJ's again, or I'm using Dawn right now, and just scrub it like crazy. You can steel wool it beforehand if you like, but it's not necessary. Okay, that should be good enough. Okay, then you're just gonna rinse the soap residue. And dry it off. Because magic eraser is a super fine abrasive, you get a nice polished finish when you clean your piece with it. So the key to a shiny black patina is the shinier the solder is before you apply the patina, the shinier your finished product is going to be. So now I'm just going to apply the patina with a toothbrush. Do the front and the back. See how quickly that turns black? It's because my solder seams are nice and clean. Okay, and then once that's done, I take some Quick Clean, spray it on, and clean up the patina. And then I let this dry for a couple hours until I am ready to wax it. So here's how it looks after the patina. Once it dries, it'll get kind of probably like a matte powdery look to it almost, and then we'll wax it. Alright, it's been a few hours, so now I'm going to take my Clarity Finishing Compound, which is a slightly abrasive wax. Oops, that was kind of a lot. That's okay. I'm just gonna rub it in. I'm just lightly rubbing it to help shine those lines up. Okay, and then in a minute I will do the back side and then let it dry overnight. The wax is dried overnight, so now we can buff it off with a microfiber cloth. And there we go, nice and shiny.